Welcome to Workspace Tips. Do you need to insert equations in Microsoft Word? In this video, I'll show you 5 different ways to write or insert the math equation in Microsoft Word. Here's what you'll learn. Using Inc equation panel, using equation tools, using shortcuts, linear formatting, built-in equation examples, using ChatGPT for math equations. Each method has its own use case, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one to use. Before inserting equations, first you need to insert an equation box. An equation box is a specialized container used to insert and format mathematical equations. This allows you to format mathematical expressions using MathML or LaTeX-style syntax. There are 2 methods for this. First method is using the Alt plus equal to shortcut. Place your cursor where you want the equation and press Alt plus equal to keys simultaneously. Now, you will have an equation box ready to go. This is the starting point for any equation. Second method is using the Insert tab. Click the Insert tab in the ribbon. Then on the right top corner, click Equations. Now, you will have an equation box ready to go. Let's learn how to insert equations using different methods. Inc equation method. Go to Insert. Click Equation. Then, on the top left, click Inc equation. Now a drawing panel will appear on the screen. Here, you'll find options like Write, Erase, Select and Correct, Clear. You can see the preview of the written equation in the preview box. We'll go through each one, step by step. I will write the above equation here. I am writing the letter F now, and you can see the preview displayed above. Next, I'll type equal to, but it's not showing up properly. I'll continue with the letter M, and you see it auto-corrected. I'm writing bullet and A, but it's showing as D. I'll use Select and Correct to choose A. You can see it has changed as A. Then, I'll write plus D over T plus the integral, superscript B, subscript A. I'll correct the integral, B, and A with Select and Correct. Click the required option. X square is not recognized. I'll use Erase, then rewrite the X squared, then add D and X. Once done, check the equation and Insert. This is how you insert an equation using Inc equation panel. Next, you'll see how to write a math equation using the Equation Tools Design tab. Equation Tools Design tab provides tools for creating, formatting, and customizing mathematical expressions using symbols and structures groups. Go to Insert menu. Click on Equation. This is the Equation Tools Design tab. You will see the Symbols and Structures group. Here, you'll find a wide range of symbols, fractions, scripts, integrals, and more. I'll now demonstrate how to recreate the same equation. Click inside the equation box. Type F in capital, then equals. Now, type M and grab the bullet symbol from up symbols there. Type A, and then plus. Click the fraction from the above structure group and insert the desired fraction. Type D in the numerator and T in the denominator. Type plus. Next, click Integrals and select the appropriate integral. Type B for the superscript and A for the subscript. Click the empty box and press the spacebar to remove it. For the square root, click Scripts, pick from the default one, type X power 2. And then type D and X. This is a great way to build equations visually using the Equation Tools Design symbols and structures. Next, you will see writing a math equation using shortcuts. Linear formatting method allows you to write mathematical equations using keyboard shortcuts instead of manually inserting symbols. To do so, follow these steps. Click Alt plus equal to shortcut to insert the equation box. I'll demonstrate with same example. Remember, press the spacebar after each shortcut to apply an action. First, type F capital, then equal to and type M now, type /bullet and press space. You'll see the bullet appear. Type A and plus. Type D/T and press space. Type plus. For the integral type /int and press space. Type $B and _A. You'll see it converted to superscript and subscript limits. Click space for this empty box to disappear. Type X$2, press space. Finally, type D and X. And there's the equation, created using shortcuts. Remember, you must press the spacebar after each shortcut for the conversion to take place. I will show you the sum shortcuts keys on screen. Make a note or take screenshot of it to use later. This method is incredibly fast once you get the hang of it. Next, you'll see about the built-in equations in Word. Built-in equations method refer to a collection of pre-designed, ready-to-use mathematical equations that you can insert directly into your document. These include commonly used math equations. If you are writing a common math equation or theorem, try this built-in equation examples. Press Alt + equal to insert an equation box, where the selected built-in equation will appear. Then, click the equation drop-down in the left top corner and you'll find a library of common equations. If you want more equations, click More Equations from Office.com, but note that internet connection is required. Here, you will find additional equations. Click on any equation, and it will appear in your equation box, where you can edit it as needed. This is useful if you need theorems or want to insert multiple built-in equations. Each time, press Alt + equal to insert a new equation. Next, you'll learn how to copy ChatGPT content with math equations into Microsoft Word. Using ChatGPT can help you write complex mathematical equations, saving time and reducing errors. Before using ChatGPT, you'll need to install ChatGPT to Word or PDF the Chrome extension. First, click the three dots in the top right corner of your Chrome browser. Then, go to Extensions and select Visit Chrome Web Store. Alternatively, you can search for Chrome Web Store on Google. And click the page to open. Once you're in the Chrome Web Store, search for ChatGPT to Word or PDF. Click on the extension, then click Add to Chrome to install it. After installation, refresh your ChatGPT page. I will give the ChatGPT to Word or PDF extension link in the description. It's definitely worth checking out. If you need, you can pin the extension like this. Now, let me show you how easy it is to use. First, open ChatGPT. For example, I will prompt for write a complex math equation with symbols and structures. Click Enter. Now, you can see the response. At the bottom right of the response, you will see two options: download as a Word document, download as a PDF. Now, I will click Word and download it. Let's open the downloaded Word document. As you can see, the equations are directly inside the equation box of the Word file. You can use the Word file as needed. And that's it. Now you know 5 different methods to easily insert equations in Microsoft Word. You've learned about Inc Equation Panel, Equation Tools Design tab, Linear Format Method, built-in equation examples, using ChatGPT to write math equations. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Word tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments which method you found the most useful. Thanks for watching.